Hey there! Ever wondered what happens when you put money in a bank? Today, we're going to learn about different types of bank accounts. It's easier than you think, and it can help you manage your money better. First up, let's talk about checking accounts. Think of a checking account as your everyday spending account. You can use it to buy things, pay for stuff online, or even get cash from an ATM. It's super handy for regular spending. And guess what? You can use a debit card that's linked to your checking account to make all these payments easily. 2. Savings accounts. Next, we have savings accounts. These are great for stashing away your money for future goals like buying a new bike or saving for a trip. The cool part? Savings accounts earn interest. That means the bank pays you a little bit of extra money for keeping your savings with them. The longer you save, the more your money grows. 3. Certificates of deposit. CDs. Now, let's talk about something called a certificate of deposit, or CD for short. This is for when you can leave your money in the bank for a set time, like 6 months or a year, without touching it. The bank rewards you with higher interest rates than a regular savings account. But remember, you can't take the money out until the time is up. 4. Money market accounts. Finally, we have money market accounts. They're like a mix between checking and savings accounts. You get higher interest like a savings account, but you can also write checks and use a debit card like a checking account. It's great if you want to earn more interest, but still need access to your money. Choosing the right account. So, how do you choose the right account? It depends on what you need. Checking accounts for everyday spending. Savings accounts for saving up and earning interest. CDs for long-term saving with higher interest. Money market accounts for earning more interest while having easy access to your money. Talk to your parents or a bank representative to help you choose the best account for your goals. And that's it. Now, you know all about different types of bank accounts. Remember, choosing the right one can help you manage your money wisely and reach your savings goals. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.